Installing the Larson Electronics no-drill antenna mounting plate is simple and requires no holes to be drilled into your vehicle. Begin by locating the proper tools used to remove your taillight. In this case, we used a 9/32-inch socket to loosen and remove the 4 screws holding the taillight in place. This size is commonly used for 2015 plus Ford F-150 models as shown in this video. Carefully remove the light housing to reveal the bulbs attached to its backside. For taillights with a camera or LEDs, a simple wire harness is often used with a quick connector. In this case, we'll free the cord from each plastic retainer of the taillight, rotate the first bulb, and pull it out to remove it from the housing, and repeat for each of the remaining bulbs. If you encounter a wire harness, carefully unclip its connector from the back of the taillight and free the wiring from any plastic retainers if attached. Next, prepare the mounting plate. Remove the 2 toggle bolts from the mount. This may vary per vehicle, and vehicle-specific instructions should be followed. Inspect the gasket on the backside of the plate to ensure the surface is free from any defects or foreign material. If you need to run cable through the mount into your vehicle, cut the gasket prior to installation. The gasket should be cut on the bottom of the mounting plate only in order to maintain a watertight seal. Next, place the mount on the back of the truck with the top mounting plate facing towards your truck bed. Place each screw for the toggle bolts through the inner holes of the mounting plate. Run your cable through the gasket at this time if required. Attach each toggle bolt to the screw on the backside and tighten. The toggle bolts should be open with the flat side facing outside of your vehicle. Loosely tighten each side to hold the mounting plate while you align all holes on the mount to the holes on the truck. Adjust cable if routing through mount. Allow some slack in cable to shed water when wet. Tighten the 2 toggle bolt screws to evenly compress the gasket to the back of the truck and hold the plate. Be careful not to over-tighten these screws to prevent damage to the bolts. The plate and gasket should be uniform to the truck and both screws should be evenly tightened. Reattach each bulb to the brake light housing and twist to lock in place. For taillights with a wire harness, simply clip it back to the taillight connector. Press excess wire back into their plastic retainers as before. Align the taillight over your new mounting plate up against the truck and replace the screws. Evenly tighten these screws to the truck in order to maintain a watertight seal. Do not over-tighten these screws. Your new mount is now installed. Check to ensure everything is secure and that your taillight is working properly. Attach your device to the mounting plate via magnet or permanent mount depending on your model. Run cable as required. Your new antenna plate is now ready for use, keeping the communication going from place to place. Feel free to contact Larson Electronics for more information. Give us a call or email us sales@larsonelectronics.com. Over and out.